everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be teaching you some very basic, informal Punjabi phrases that are perfect for everyday conversations. So let's just dive in and start with the first phrase, which is, I don't want this. Mainu ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. A is this, O is that. So if you're referring to something that's close to you, you would say A. And if you're referring to something that's a little bit further away, you would say O. So A, O. I don't want this. Mainu ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. Which brings us to the second phrase, I don't want that. Mainu ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. So, I don't want this. Mainu ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. I don't want that. Mainu ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ. Let's cover I'm sorry. So there's two different ways we'll cover this. The first one is situational. So if you're sorry about a situation. And the second part we'll cover is if you're apologizing for something. So if you've done something wrong and now you want to apologize. So the first one, if you're sorry about a situation. So for example, I'm sorry for your loss. You would say, Mainu afsos a. Mainu afsos a. Now, if you're apologizing for something, it would be Mainu maaf karo. Mainu maaf karo. So hai is the formal translation of is, but informally hai becomes a. So most people end their sentences with a. E kal nu a, e aj a, o kithe a kithe a, tu kithe a. Next, we'll cover 3 sentences with the words yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So yesterday is kal, today is aj, and tomorrow is also kal. The way you differentiate between yesterday and tomorrow, because both of those words are kal, is your usage of is and was. So was yesterday is tomorrow. It was yesterday would be e kal si. It is tomorrow is e kal hai. And it is today is e aj hai. So once again, e kal si, e aj hai, e kal hai. Or informally, you can also say kal si, which is it was yesterday. Or kal nu a, which is it's tomorrow. Kal si, kal nu a. Next we've got I know, I don't know. I know is mainu pata. Mainu pata. I don't know is mainu nahi pata. Mainu nahi pata. So, mainu pata, mainu nahi pata. Next, I'm sure and I'm not sure. So for sure, the closest translation is yaqeen, which is believe. So if you believe something, you're sure of it. If you don't believe something, you're not sure of it. So I'm sure would be mainu yaqeen a. Mainu yaqeen a. And I'm not sure is mainu yaqeen nahi a. Next we've got just a little, which is bas thoda jiha. Bas thoda jiha. So for example, if somebody offered you water and you just wanted like a little glass of it, you would say bas thoda jiha. Bas thoda jiha.